Hello everyone, it's Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. Coming at you with another weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. So today I'm inspecting a brand new travel trailer. So let's just look at that date, see when it was PDI'd. January 2023. Today it is February of 2023. Right there we can see it was QC'd in what bay. So this thing's been through its PDI process. So today we're going to be looking at a slide out gear rack system, and it's installed twisted. This is going to tear up the teeth on the gear rack system like crazy, and at some point it could cause him some serious slide out issues and cause the slide out to maybe even not work at all, even if you do it manually. So this is something he wants to get taken care of before he takes this off the lot. So let's get under here and take a look at what we got. So first things first, we can see it's mounted crooked here, and you can't tell from the video, but that seems a little warped. And then when we look at the gear rack, notice that it's in there crooked. It's chewing up them teeth already, and it's not even sitting in its area straight. So it's making some funny noises. When ran the slide, it was making some funny noises. So I'm gonna put that right here. You'll hear the loud clicking when it's moving. And you know, if he didn't have this inspected before he took this off the lot, a few months down the road, could have been major issues. But here we are, finding those issues before he purchases, getting it taken care of. So with your weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, this is Jason with My RV Resource. You have a nice day.